morning. This is a video about my build, or what I did to build this drop-down chop saw table. I've had this Ryobi chop saw since I think before they started using that horrible green color. So it's been over 20 years. It's been kicking around my shop and underfoot, and no place that was convenient in my old house, at my old shop. And so when I moved into this new house and we got the Tough Shed, I needed a permanent place to put it, and I realized that the inside of the door would probably be a pretty good place to store it. It wouldn't be underfoot, I wouldn't be kicking it around, and I could use it either in the shop, or I could open the door and use it outside for much longer pieces of wood. Originally I tried to build it. You can see holes where I had tried to use normal hinges, but I ran into some problems with coming up with a support. I didn't want a support that rested on the ground. I didn't want to buy something, and I was trying to use what I had, but I just had to buy something. And I bought these. They are drop shelf. They are rated at one. They're a set of two. Information is kind of splotchy and scarce on exactly how they're rated. It just says 180 pounds. It doesn't say if that's per hinge or if that's for both hinges. The way it works is you mount this on the wall, and it locks in place, and then when you want to drop it, it just folds down. It comes with some mounting hardware, which is at minimum anemic. And this might be why it has such a low rating. I didn't use these. These are the screws and the wall anchors that it called for. I used these 5/16 anchors with these really long screws. These are rated at 45 pounds each, so that comes out to at least 180, but that rating is for drywall, and this is OSB, so I don't know how that affects the rating. I have seen people test them, and they can handle 60 pounds of pressure. So, but that was also again in drywall. If I find that they just don't hold, my plan is I will replace the top bolt or screw with a 1/4-inch carriage bolt going through the door. Before somebody claims that my door can't support this, I actually looked it up. The Tough Shed claims that the hinges on their sheds can support 500 pounds each, and there are 3 hinges on this door. So supposedly this door can handle these hinges can handle 1,500 pounds of door. I think that's overkill, but whatever. So this thing weighs approximately 30 pounds. The board, I don't know, I didn't weigh it. It probably weighs somewhere between 5 and 10 pounds. And you see it just folds right up. And when I want to put it down, just like that. The bad things about doing this, number one, when I open and close the door, I have to be mindful that it's there. I've already bashed my hand once and ran into it with my knee once, but once I get it in my head that it's in this location, it'll be fine. And it is held onto the board by 1/4-inch bolts. I think that's it. Thanks for watching.